Hello guys, so we are making I am making stew and rice. That is rice there, and this is stew which I'll be making. It's kamande. Nimesha chemsha the kamande. This is the kamande, and yeah, nimesha kata everything that I need. The dania is here, nyanya and hoho and carrot are here. Yeah, I had made some popcorns. Yeah, I've just eaten some and those are left. So yeah, stick with me as I cook my dinner. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. Something. A sound, okay? I have made for you popcorns. So just Jakula lunch. I ate only the tea that was there. And where'd you go? How I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up.
Sometimes you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I could miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So we gon' cut so won't you? Can I tell you something? What is what we've had this days on show you something, get more than what we've had this days on
Make some tea. We'll be using this milk. Make some tea.
When it breaks you eyes, when it feel like this. Even days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like months.
For some
The
distant,
food
far
is
future
up.
engagement.
That is what we are having
Based
for
on your
dinner.
performance,
Yep.
Kenya